Hello and welcome to this video dedicated to programming. This is a quick introduction to using Pascal language. This is not a programming manual, but just a startup aid for a developer. Begin replaces the do. 2 points equal is used for variable assignment. A semicolon ends a line. In the if-then-else syntax, the precedence of the operators is different. Text values use the apostrophe and not the quotation marks. The types of variables. Attention: char in progress becomes string in Pascal. Char is a simple character and not a string of characters. It's the for instruction and not the do that makes a loop. A break comes out of a loop, and continue instead of next continues the loop. The output of a procedure or function is exit, with the return value set in result. These are the data type conversion functions. Here are some functions we added. Some are inspired by the Progress language, like entry, numentries, begins, substring, lookup, first of, last of, available, or from Excel like IIF. The type of data. If a value does not contain a compatible value at runtime, it will be presented in its raw form. Some examples of formats. You can experiment your formats on the fly by modifying the contents of the format area. The view as part indicates how this value should be seen. Multi-line strings is a frame, while free-form text designates a simple label. In the local variables part, define any variables internal to the object, and an expression or procedure that will produce the value of the object. The coding is simple and obvious. We will see it with some examples. Here, we use a local integer variable to create a string of characters. We indicate here that the value will be next page if the order is not finished. Otherwise, the object will have as value total order, which contains the general total. Since the value is a variant field, it can represent a text or numeric value in the same formulation. Here, the value is made up of several lines. The character 10 is a line skip. To summarize what we have seen, a how-to chapter, creating totals, subtotals and more. Global variable. The value of the cell is equal to the price multiplied by the quantity minus the discount. Decimal function rounds to 2 decimals, and we cumulate the value in total order. The summary cell now. Simply put the expression total order and the option of a subtotal or not. Thank you for watching.